Right, so what's happening is that we are trying to capture a beautiful entry for the video when, you know, the logo and everything is gonna pop up when you turn on the car. But the car doesn't turn off, man. I mean, you know, everything is kind of turned off.
It's
but
been
the
like
unit,
5 minutes already, you know what I mean? Just start the engine now and let's see.
at least you have that there.
Yeah.
But it's still not the right thing, innit?
Yeah, here's supposed to be the logo. Anyway, it is what it is.
Okay, let's try again.
That's for you. Ah, and it says check rear seats for occupants.
Are we having ghosts now?
Nobody there, believe me. Maybe if you exit the car, I don't know. Let's see. Ah, if you open the door. Aha. So you need to open the door. Understand?
Alarm system full guard.
Reduce guard is like someone can steal it, you know.
Reduce it or full steal it, huh? It's gonna steal half of the
Okay.
car. Let's
Now,
give it a shot. So,
now this is the intro.
okay, let's go. Engine start.
No logo.
Something is weird.
Okay.
We tried.
Ford, forget it.
Ford, pick up this one, yeah? Not Gucci, guys. Not bueno, not bueno. This is not okay. We really try to help you guys out here and just say, look, you know, Ford actually has beautiful animations. But something happened, which is not okay. Should we present a little bit the options or just do the test drive and then...
Test drive, and that's a teaser for the next video.
Okay, then.
Let's go.
When it comes to, you know, shifting, changing gears is not too bad. I mean, you know, it's kind of what you'll expect from a car. And then this handbrake has, I don't know, I think it's very short, you know. But apart from that, it's all okay. Let's see. Now this is a very bumpy kind of place, which is okay. It gives us the chance to kind of have a feel for it. Obviously, most of you guys, most probably you're gonna drive it, you know, within the city. So, you know, but it's not too bad. I mean, it is shaky and all that, but it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Better than the Vauxhall, for sure. And then, let's keep quiet. You have nothing. The engine actually, it's, you know, either it's turned off or silent. One of those two. But again, compared with the 1.2 petrol from the Vauxhall, I mean, this is definitely 10 times better, you know. And it's also, you know, you kind of have a lot more, you know, power behind the wheel, kind of. Let's see. Yeah, it's turned off now. You know, the driving position, I like it high. I mean, it's just nice, man. You can definitely see the front of the car, you know, because of the shape that the headlights unit kind of has. You can see the front of the car. It's quite interesting, literally. Do you know where we're going?
Little.
Shall we connect Android and ask them to guide us? Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
And so we're stopping the car. It's all legal 100%. And then you connect the phone, and then you should be having Android Auto right there.
Yay.
Find me Lidl in Rotterdam.
Got it. There's a Lidl 0.1 miles away. Want to navigate there?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, 0.1 miles away.
Yes.
Alright, little 0.1 miles away.
0.1 miles.
That's the one, much bro.
Okay.
What I would really love, if possible, would be to be able to change, you know, the layout of this. Now, what these buttons are doing, kind of, you have the cruise control over here, you have a limiter here, and then you're gonna have the actual cruise control setting up the speed, and you set it up. You have up and down depending on the speed that you want to have. Obviously, you do need to have more than 25 miles an hour, otherwise it's not gonna work. And then you're gonna have the sound, the volume, right? So you have plus, minus, and then you have like the mute button. On the right side in here, you'll be having like a menu for this head unit. So you have quite a few screens that you can select from. You have a calm screen, which I don't know what it does, but we'll find out. Fuel economy, trip computer 1, 2, and then you also have, let's see, eco behavior, traffic signs. Let's go. Oh, you can only have 7. Let's see, we're gonna need 1 minus. So every speed, auto start, stop. It's quite interesting.
The steering wheel, it's nice also, like the shape of it.
Eco behavior, acceleration 99%, deceleration 94%. You still have the revs, not, you know, this is definitely not a hybrid, because on a hybrid, or obviously same goes for like a proper hybrid, you don't have the revs, you know, at least on a plug-in it's not showing the revs, because you know you don't really have revs kind of as the main important thing. So not bad. Not bad at all. Now, if you want to check the tire pressures, you can do it directly from there. It actually shows you how many PSIs you have.
The noise from exterior is also not bad.
I like it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Fuel economy. Now, for fuel economy, we have two statistics. One from the last 3,500 miles, and that's 40 mpg, and then from 7,700, which is kind of what the car has, we have a 42.6 mpg, which, you know, is not bad. I suppose, you know, it could be better, it could be worse at the same time. Chances are the car was mostly driven in, you know, in the city, so it's kind of expected. But you know, it's a big car for a small engine. That's something to consider it as well.
yeah. That being said, let the silence speak. Cornering also, it's good, to be honest. Braking,
It's quite good, and also has that hybrid gauge, whatever.
yeah, when you brake it saves energy, so that's a good thing.
But now I'm thinking, if it's, you know, has that auto regeneration system, I think that's how it's called, the RH system, then why are the braking pads on the braking discs on the front kind of already weird? Are they like cheap, you know, cheap material? Is it like the material, or what's the deal?
Could be. So that Lidl is supposed to be 0.1 mile away. I don't know what 0.1 mile away means to this, but
Not even radius, bro. Not even radius.
anyway.
I guess
Okay.
Google is broken.
Could be.
Somebody broke Google.
It's time to save it. So watching, guys. Keep in mind that we will post another video about the infotainment, all the settings, and
yeah, that's about it.
subscribe, like, share.
Bye.
Bye.
Now.